Hello students, today we are going to start our new chapter, Teeth and Microbes. We all have the beautiful teeth and we look smart with beautiful teeth, with beautiful white shining teeth. Today we will discuss about the teeth, kinds of teeth, structure of tooth. Okay. So teeth give us shape to our face, help us to bite and chew, help us speak clearly. If you think about an old person who doesn't have any teeth in his or her mouth, his voice is not clear to us, is not very clear. So why? Because teeth help us to speak clearly also. So there are sets of teeth, the permanent sets and temporary set. By the age of 3, a child has a set of 20 teeth. This set of teeth is known as milk teeth or temporary teeth. By the age of 6, a child starts losing the milk teeth one by one. As milk teeth fall, new teeth grow in their places from the gums. This new set of teeth is known as permanent teeth. Every adult usually has a set of 32 teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. The upper and lower jaws have identical kind of teeth. If you lose any tooth from the set of permanent teeth, you will not get a new one in its place. Kinds of teeth. There are 4 kinds of permanent teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. The 4 front teeth in each jaw are incisor. They have sharp straight edges. They are used for cutting and biting food. We bite the food, we cut the food with incisors. They are also known as cutting teeth. And there are 2 canines in each jaw. They are present on either side of incisor in each jaw. They are also sharp and pointed. They help tear the food. For this reason, they are called tearing teeth. They are sharper and bigger in flesh-eating animals. As lion and tiger, they eat the flesh of other animal. They have the bigger canines as compared to the size in the human beings. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. They are next to the canines. They are broad and flat. These teeth help us crack and crush the food like nuts. They also called cracking teeth. There are 6 molars in each jaw. They are next to the premolars. They are bigger and broader than premolars. They help grind the food. They are also known as grinding teeth. Premolars and molars are well developed in plant eating animals, means in herbivores, and they help them chew and grind their food well. So, in adults, out of 32, there are 8 incisors, 4 canines, and 8 premolars and 12 molars. Okay, out of total 12 molars, 8 grow first, 2 on each side of premolars, and 4 grows later. These last molars are also known as wisdom teeth. You can see the shape of the teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molars. The white portion is crown that we can see, and the lower brown portion is root that is under the skin. Okay, so here we will discuss about structure of a tooth. When we open our mouth and look in the mirror, we can see our teeth. The soft gums hold our teeth tightly at their place. Each tooth has 2 parts, crown and root. The part of the tooth that we see is crown and the part inside the gum is root. The outer white covering of tooth is enamel. This is hardest material in the human body. The layer inside the enamel that forms the main hard part of the tooth is known as dentine. The center of tooth is called pulp. It lies inside the dentine. This is soft and has blood vessels and nerves. So this is all about the structure of a tooth. The outer layer is known as enamel and the layer inside the enamel is dentine. When we eat small bites of food may stick between our teeth. When we don't brush our teeth properly or regularly, this stuck food rots and our teeth get covered with a thin sticky layer of germs known as plaque. This plaque reacts with the sugar present in the food to produce acid which affects the tooth enamel and start decaying it. This is known as the tooth decay. It causes holes or cavities in the enamel and dentine. As a result, the nerves and the blood vessels in the pulp get exposed. When any cold or hot thing comes in contact with these exposed nerves, we get a toothache. So, toothache causes due to some reasons toothache causes the following, like toothache, foul smell from the mouth, stomach disorders, holes or cavities in the teeth, loss of teeth, bleeding gums. For white and shining teeth, we should have to care the teeth. Teeth are very important part of our body. We must take care of our teeth to prevent the tooth decay. So we must brush our teeth at least twice a day, in the morning and at the night before going to bed after the dinner. We should brush our teeth correctly, like outside surface of upper teeth, inside the surface of upper teeth, outside the surface of lower teeth, inside the surface of lower teeth, and surface of premolars and molars. We have to scrub the back and forth position. We should eat raw vegetables and fruits like carrots and apples. They make our gums and teeth strong. We should avoid too many sweets and chocolates. They spoil our teeth. We should rinse our mouth properly with water after every meal. We should have milk and milk products daily. Why? Because milk is rich in calcium, and calcium is best for our teeth. They have calcium that make our teeth strong. We must floss our teeth every day. Teeth are not kept clean, get covered with a yellow substance that is known as tartar. This can be removed by a dentist. So we should visit a dentist at least twice a year for the routine checkup of the teeth. Thank you.